And Johannes, another challenge associated with AI is job displacement and the need to upskill and reskill employees. What are your thoughts on this?
So thank you for raising this very important question, Tiffany. So every major technology trend that we've had over the decades always leads to job disruption. So AI is not different. And yes, the rollout of AI can lead to job displacement. But at the same time, and we're also seeing that, it also opens up numerous opportunities for job creation and transformation. Now, just a few thoughts on this matter. So you mentioned job displacement. We should also include job transformation. What we're seeing is the evolution of the role in the job. So AI technologies often take over repetitive and mundane tasks, which can displace certain jobs. However, this shifts also employees away from those tasks to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic tasks that machine cannot easily replicate. For instance, in manufacturing, AI can handle routine inspections, freeing up workers to engage in maintenance and optimization activities that require human ingenuity. Now, the creation of new jobs, as I mentioned, the implementation of AI leads to the creation of new job categories, even that did not exist before. So we see a rising demand for roles such as AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists. These roles are crucial in developing, managing, and maintaining AI systems. Now let's talk about upskilling and reskilling, as you mentioned. We always talk about continuous learning. To mitigate the impact of job displacement, whatever technology, continuous learning is essential for employees. Upskilling and reskilling programs are vital in helping the workforce at large adapt to new technologies and keep the skill set up to date. For example, an administrative assistant might learn to use AI tools to enhance productivity, while a factory worker might be trained to operate and troubleshoot AI powered machinery. Now, all this is not just the responsibility of the employee. It cannot be just the employee who is responsible for upskilling and reskilling. So, upskilling and reskilling does not work without organizational support. Organizations play a critical role in this transition, and companies should invest in training programs to equip their employees with the necessary skills. Partnerships with educational institutions and online learning platforms can facilitate these efforts, offering courses tailored to the evolving needs of the particular industry. But there's another stakeholder in the scheme, so let's not forget the role of the government. Governments can support this transition by implementing policies that encourage lifelong learning and provide funding for training programs. Additionally, initiatives such as tax initiatives for companies that invest in employee training can spur more significant private sector participation in upskilling efforts. And let's not forget ethical AI deployment. So it's important that when we deploy AI, it is deployed ethically, considering its impact on employment. So companies should strive to use AI to augment human capabilities rather than merely replace them. Ethical AI practices ensure that the benefits of technology are broadly shared and do not disproportionately affect vulnerable groups. Also, we should consider inclusive growth. Efforts should be made to ensure that upskilling and reskilling programs are accessible to all employees, regardless of their background or current skill level. Inclusive growth strategies help to prevent widening the gap between skilled and unskilled workers. Because at the end of the day, AI is going to impact us all. Everybody currently alive will be impacted by AI. So, in conclusion, while AI presents challenges related to job displacement, it also offers opportunities for job creation and transition. By prioritizing upskilling and reskilling, organizations and governments can help the workforce adapt to these changes, fostering an environment where both employees and businesses can thrive in the AI driven future.